In this video, you'll learn everything you need to start using Pictory AI. With Pictory AI, you have access to a sophisticated video editing tool that utilizes AI to transform any script into a stunning video. To begin, click the link in the description or pinned comments below and you'll be redirected to the Pictory website. Click the Get Started for Free button and sign in with your Google account or email address. Once you have an account set up, open the app and you'll find 4 tools at your disposal. First, we'll focus on the script to video function. When you're ready to start, click the Proceed button. Enter your working title for the video. Don't worry, you can change this later. Paste your script in the box below, and once you're satisfied, click Proceed in the top right corner. By the way, Pictory is completely free to use. You can also grab 20% off any of the paid plans for life if you use our exclusive code, Christian41. Simply click the link in the description and pinned comments and use this coupon code when you upgrade to a paid plan. Next, you'll come across the templates library. Scroll through this library to discover the template that suits your video's style. Click on your chosen template and select an aspect ratio to proceed. Pictory AI will now go to work, reading your script and automatically selecting visuals for each scene. It's even generating those fancy captions for you. This may take a moment, so let it do its magic. If you find this video helpful and want to see more awesome content from us, hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up by clicking like. Your support goes a long way in helping us reach more people and provide even more value to you. Plus, here's a fun twist. Drop a comment saying I subscribed, and you'll get a special shout out in our next video. It's our way of saying thank you for being part of our awesome community. A big, exciting shout out to these incredible individuals who hit the subscribe button after watching our last video. You're amazing, and we are super happy to have you as part of the Earn Smart fam. Let's go back to our video. Each line from your script will become a separate scene within the video. Now, let's explore how to edit the captions in your video. You can easily change any captions or visuals to add that extra bit of polish to your videos. And remember, upgrading to any paid plan will remove all watermarks from your final videos. You can use our exclusive coupon to grab 20% off any plans for life. We'll put it in the description and pinned comments below, so make sure you don't miss it. Begin by reviewing your scenes, text, and captions. On the left side of your screen, in the navigation menu, you'll find the Story View tab. On the left half of your screen, you can quickly edit scene captions by clicking on them and changing the text. On the right half of the screen, you'll see the video preview area with a row of scene thumbnails at the bottom. Click any of the thumbnails to select the scene, and you'll see the visual for that scene displayed in the video preview, along with the caption. You can edit the captions directly on the preview video just by clicking on them. When you click on a caption, you'll see a menu above the preview video, where you can easily adjust caption styles and positioning. Most of these font styling controls will be familiar to you from other applications you've used, so feel free to experiment with them. We'll delve into advanced caption styling in a future video, but for now, the default settings should do the trick. Now, let's move on to editing the visuals in your video. Back in the far left navigation menu, under Story, you'll see the Visuals tab. Click on that, and you'll discover that every Pictory AI paid plan gives you access to over 3 million royalty-free visuals to use in your videos. Review the visuals for each scene by clicking on the thumbnails and make sure they align with the message and theme of your video. To replace a video in one of your scenes, select the scene and search the library for keywords that better represent that scene. Once you find a suitable visual, click on it, and you'll see it instantly replace the video in your scene on the right. Pretty cool, right? Repeat this process as necessary until you're satisfied with your video's visuals. Moving on to audio, in the Add Audio to your video section, you'll find the Audio tab in the far left navigation menu. Here, you'll discover a plethora of background music options. Play around with them until you find one that perfectly complements the vibe of your video. You can preview each track by clicking the play button, and if you find one you like, click the apply button to use it. Additionally, you can add an AI voiceover to narrate your video. Next to the background music in the audio view is the voiceover tab. You can choose between male or female AI voices, according to your preference. Give them a try to see which one resonates with your video the best. If you prefer to use your own voiceover, you can upload it in the My Uploads tab. Lastly, let's add some branding to your video. You can find the Branding tab in the far left navigation menu. Here, you can incorporate your custom intros, outros, and logos into your videos. We'll delve into this in more detail in a future video. Once you've completed your video, remember that it's automatically saved in your My Projects folder. You can either preview it or download it. Depending on the video's size, this process may take a minute, so let it work its magic. And always keep in mind that your first video doesn't have to be perfect. Just give it your best shot to create a quick video today, and let us know in the comments below how it turned out. If you reached this point in the video, we want to thank you for supporting our channel. Kindly give this video a like and subscribe so we can provide more value to you. Don't forget to grab your 20% off coupon for any of the paid plans. Simply click the link in the description and pinned comments and use this coupon code when you are ready to upgrade. On our next video, we'll show you how to turn any articles into stunning videos using Pictory AI. So make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss it. If you've made it this far, we've got something special for you today. We're giving away 100% free high-quality YouTube thumbnails and templates to supercharge your channel. Just hit the link in the description or pinned comments for the download link. Thanks for being part of our growing community. Now, let's get back to the video. In the next video, we'll delve into another free mid-journey alternative that's even more user-friendly. Explore it and click here to watch.